Hello guys, welcome to another video of laptop repair. Today we have in front of us a Inspiron Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series laptop. You will notice that it's a Dell Inspiron. It's a 15 5000 series laptop that has come in with its one of its hinges broken. Now, the thing to bring to light is that the operations of the laptop, however, is not affected in any way due to this hinge being split open. But upon closer inspection, you will find that the hinge, the affected hinge, is completely snapped into two. And the challenge here is that there is no chance for this laptop hinge assembly to be repaired. It has to be replaced. I will give you reasons why. Now you see that it is broken into two, and here it is intact without any issues as how it should be, but here it is actually broken into two, snapped into two. Another thing is that you will also notice that the laptop's screen lid also is being affected because it has fallen out of alignment. You can notice here that, see, it is not properly aligned because of that faulty hinge. You will see that it is out of shape or it is being compromised. See, it is not one on top of each other. There is a spacing or a gap, you will notice, in the alignment of the screen lid with the base. Now this is also because of the fact that the screen lid of every laptop relies on both the hinges or the hinge assembly unit of the laptop. Some of the damages, if it is minimal, it can be repaired and it will stay on being repaired. But if it goes to the extent of the alignment of the screen lid, display lid, being out of shape and falling out of alignment, then the best thing would be to have the hinge assembly unit replaced and not repaired, because if it is repaired, it stands a chance of further breakage, and it would not give ample strength to the laptop going forward in holding the screen while dealing with the close and open action. See, now you have heard a sound as I see. So you will see that when the entire weight of the laptop display screen is dependent on these two hinge units, and if these hinge units are not in proper shape, then you will note that you will, or rather you will be in a situation that further down the line you will be facing issues. So the best thing over here would be going in for a replacement of the hinge assembly unit rather than repairs, and let me go forward and get that hinge unit replaced and then come back to you with another video, continuing video.